How to get back your deleted eBay account. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reopen or reactivate your deleted eBay account. So if you have deleted your eBay account and you changed your mind, now you want to cancel the deletion of your eBay account, but you don't know how to cancel the closure of your eBay account, then this video is going to be helpful for you. So as you know, while deleting your eBay account, eBay clarifies that you can actually cancel the deletion request of your eBay account within 14 days since the day you delete your account. And if it is in your case, if you have not completed 14 days since the day you request to close your eBay account, then you can actually recover your deleted eBay account. So in order to do that, what you're gonna do, first of all, go over to ebay.com and at the top left, click on sign in. Now here enter the email address or username of your deleted eBay account and click on continue. And then enter your password. And if you forgot your password, I have a video for that, how to reset your eBay password. I will link that video in the description, you can watch there. So once you entered your password, now here click on sign in. And then you will be logged into your eBay account. And now here you need to cancel the deletion of your eBay account. And if you don't do it within the next 14 days, then your account will be permanently deleted and you cannot get back your deleted eBay account. So here what you're gonna do once you signed in, at the top left, select on your name and go to your account settings. And here under account preference, select on close account. And then scroll down to this part of this article, what happens after requesting to close your account. And here in this paragraph, they have option to contact eBay to reopen your account. So here click on contact us. Once you click that will bring you to the bottom of this page. And here again, you have to click on contact us. And now to the right, a new menu will appear and here you can request eBay to cancel deletion of your eBay account. And in that way, you can recover your deleted eBay account. So here what you're gonna do, you have to write, I want to cancel my eBay account closure. And then you have to click on send. Now the eBay assistant will give you the option to keep your account open and cancel your account closure. And under it, you get the option to contact an agent. So here you have to select on contact an agent. And then here you will get the option to send an email. So here click on send us an email. And that will bring you to this page. And now here in this box, you have to describe something like, hi eBay team, I have requested to close my account, but I changed my mind and I want to cancel the deletion of my account. And then here you have to click on send. Once you do that, now you need to verify that you are a human. So here select on I am human and then solve the easy puzzle and click on verify. Now your message will be sent to eBay customer service and you will receive a response within 24 to 48 hours. So here let me wait until I receive an email. Okay, so after 1.5 hours, I got this mail from eBay that they have reinstated my account and now I can continue using my account. That means my deleted eBay account has now been reactivated and now I can sign into my eBay account and access to my account information. So let me show you by signing into my eBay account. Now I have logged into my eBay account. Now let's select the name at the top left and let's go to account settings. And here under personal info, let's select on personal information. And now let me again enter my eBay password and let's click on sign in. And now I can access to the personal info of my eBay account and my deleted eBay account has been successfully reopened or reactivated. So that's it, that's pretty much it is. That's how you can get back your deleted eBay account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment if possible. And if you want to set up two-step verification for your eBay account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.